Good day, everybody, this is Jerry from BSK Garage. I'm going to show you how to remove the steering wheel out of your Jeep JKU. You're going to need one specialty tool to do this job, and it's actually really simple. And I have a whole playlist if you need to know how to remove the airbag and everything else. But I'm just going to get you right to pulling the steering wheel. So I got a Power-Built Master Kit, and inside the kit what you're going to use is the two little tools with the hooks. You can see them, I already have them out. And that is the actual puller part, and those are the pieces with the hooks. You're going to stick those into the steering wheel so they kind of grab, and that's going to help remove it. It's actually really simple. So I'm just removing the bolt from the steering wheel. It is a 13 mil. I'm going to demonstrate how I did it with the hooks. Are you just going to stick them in the two slots on the side as such? Now I'm just feeding them in, grabbing the tool, and the tool is going to be centered on where you took out the bolt, and it's going to push down in there. So it's going to grab onto the steering wheel, push down on the post, and that's how it's going to remove it. You can see right there how I got it set up. You want to make sure, of course, all your electrical is disconnected beforehand. And I popped. So I should have enough to pull the steering wheel off. Oh, there we go. Almost got me right in the face. So there you have it. That was real quick and dirty. You may need to remove the steering wheel if you want to replace the clock spring or doing some other kind of maintenance items. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And please check out my playlist because I have probably the most DIY repair videos on a Jeep JK out there. So I'll see you guys in the next one.